SMK heat exchange elements. Russian Northern Inter-Industry Company, the Alternative Ltd, for more than 10 years has been producing equipment which helps to reduce the cost of heat and power generation and to increase the effectiveness of power stations equipment. It is well known among power stations engineers that efficiency coefficient and economic performances to a great extent depend on effective heat exchanging process, which involves a regenerative air preheater, RAPH. Heat exchange baskets profile are the main structural unit of the regenerative air preheater. In this case, we speak about the high efficiency and advanced heat exchange profile, which is produced under SMK brand. Leaving a boiler and passing between SMK baskets steel plates, flue gases transfer much more heat to inlet air in comparison with traditional heat exchange profile. Better airflow heating increases the effectiveness of fuel combustion. As a result, heat and electrical energy efficiency ratio becomes lower, and efficiency coefficient of a boiler unit remarkably increases. Heat transferability of any heat exchange profile depends on a combination of parameters. Core of them are F. cross-sectional area and A. profile type coefficient. Therefore, to increase the heat exchange efficiency, it is necessary to increase the heat exchange rate. To do this, we need to increase cross-sectional area, which takes part in heat exchange process, or to use a profile with higher profile type A coefficient. In such event, the profile weight does not play important role in heat exchange efficiency. Conversely, the basket weight decreasing positively contributes to regenerative air preheater machinery and bearings conditions and increases repair interval. High value of A coefficient of SMK profile is reached as a result of gases flows arrangement in the profile channels, which excludes appearance of ineffective dead air spaces and laminar places. Therefore, SMK profile has much more heat exchange effective area than, for example, DU and NF profiles. Arrangement of more effective heat exchanging process allows to shift a dew point beyond the heat exchanging operating area, thereby eliminating acid corrosion appearance and increasing the equipment service life. The design variants of SMK profile are created by the company engineers individually for each particular boiler unit, based on preliminary thermo-aerodynamic calculations. The results of these calculations are optimal profile configuration and a boiler unit performance forecast. Combined with the high performance of SMK profile, it provides long and stable equipment operation with maximum effectiveness. SMK profile allows to increase heat exchange rate and efficiency coefficient of a boiler unit, to reduce profile air resistance and its channels plugging, to increase the equipment service life and reliability. The SMK profile effectiveness is confirmed by dozens feedbacks from power stations. For the usage in cold layers, DNOx and DSO-OX systems, SMK heat exchange elements are coated with a layer of glass enamel by the advanced technology of Dutch company FERRO TECHNIEK BV, the European leader of the enamel coating for heat exchange surfaces operating in aggressive environment. Application of enamel coating onto the heat exchange element sheets allows to keep all the advantages of the SMK profile, increase the service life of the elements in the aggressive media, significantly increase corrosion and erosion resistance, ensure resistibility to temperature exposure. Enamel is applied by means of the electrostatic spraying in air and comprises the following stages. Pre-finishing procedure that provides for the plate decontamination, removal of grease and of all the possible contaminations. Further on goes the procedure of electrostatic spraying of the wet enamel onto the profile sheets. This procedure is automatically controlled to its full extent. After the wet enameled sheets are dried, they will be fired at a temperature of 850 degrees, which creates unique enamel characteristics components into a solid layer. Then the profiled enameled sheets are placed into the casings and welded at the required pressure between 4,000 and 8,000 kilograms. After this, the finished baskets are packed, mounted onto the pallets and sent to the client. Assurance of the quality of the products supplied by the Dutch company FERRO TECHNIEK BV is grounded on the more than 80 years old operation experience of the enterprise, which has 3 operating departments and branches all over the world. FERRO TECHNIEK is the only company in the world which is certified by EEA, European Enamel Authority. FERRO TECHNIEK is the member of the Board of Directors of German Enamelers Association. The company takes part in development of the standards of the EN series by the European Standard Committee. Market share of the FERRO TECHNIEK BV in Europe is assessed to be equal to 40%. In accordance with the point of view of many widely known companies, FERRO TECHNIEK BV company is the leader in the field of RAH enamel coating. FERRO TECHNIEK carries out research in the field of enamel coating together with the following companies: KEMA, Arnhem, Netherlands; TNO, Netherlands Organization for Applied Scientific Research; TUV, German Technical Supervisory Association; and Klaus-Thaler University. The progressive inventions of the Russian-Dutch joint production enterprise of the Alternative Ltd and FERRO TECHNIEK BV allows our clients worldwide to combine the advantages of innovative heat exchange elements and all the benefits of the most effective enamel coating. Detailed information could be obtained from our managers from the official website www.smk-alternativa.ru in section Manufacture of Heat Exchange Elements for Regenerative Air Heaters, or from our dealers and partners. You will be offered the results of heat thermodynamic calculations based on actual boiler unit parameters and optimal profile solution. Optimal for you and your equipment. The Alternative Company is a leader of design and manufacturing of the effective heat exchanging surfaces for regenerative air preheaters.